Well, you had tap.
Hey, show that nigga who y'all mean.
Yeah, Top Gang, dumbass nigga. I got one more thing to say to y'all niggas before I make it up, man. Don't get to saying I'm acting weird or all that other lame ass shit. I ain't tryna hear it, man. I don't fuck with niggas, man. I ain't gon' lie, I'm still that same nigga. I just got a new watch plus a chain, nigga. Doing 180 in the track, I keep lane switching. Lil' dog got his ass cute, he keep gang switching. I'm $1 million nigga, I still blow my fire. Put me in the room with all foes, I still throw my fire. Nigga said HGGK, then his ass died. Nigga caught a hat with a rat, now his ass fried. I ain't see this shit coming, caught me by surprise. Dog's doing all that dick sucking till his ass died. Double R pack hitting hard, I can't feel my face. Everybody hard as fuck until they feel that Drake. We did that drill right as hell, they had to close the case. If the boys get behind me, I gotta throw my Drake. Niggas know about Lil Monty, bitch, I'm a fucking ape. Beat them niggas blocked down and made them lead the state. Yeah, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. When I OD off that perk, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. Dog came with his ice, you thought he wasn't gonna take it. Bitch, we don't fuck with niggas, so they think we racist. I still hit a stall on different occasions. I just fuck off them dead niggas, got me looking Asian. The hoes think I'm mean as fuck, cause I be looking crazy. I just pulled a 6 in this pop, so I'm kinda lazy. Just know I win out like Scarface if they ever take me. Bitch, I don't rap for free, boy, you gotta pay me. I wear $1,000 jeans now, I used to shop at Macy's. And I was raised with my mama, nigga, shout out Tracy. Bitch, I thought my wrist up for them niggas hating. I had to leave them niggas alone, niggas out here playing. I pack loud as the fuck, I can't hear what you saying. I've been high since 14 and I ain't never land. I've been counting so much money, I need an extra hand. 30,000 all does, I done broke the band. Bitch, I can get a boat gun before it touch my hands. Bitch, I tweak sober, I don't need no Zen. Boy, when it's time to slide, I don't need no friend. Nigga, before you was a op, you was a fucking fan. You need to go and kill yourself, cause you out here playing. Man, these niggas broke as fuck, don't even got no band. Fat, hit him up top, now he ain't got no head. My wife